You can freeze time at will, but you age 4 times as fast while time's frozen. Yeah, why not? I'm okay with that. %55% pressed the button, and 45% did not. Right, next. Get an awesome superpower, but someone who hates you will get the same power. Yeah. I mean, I guess it depends on what the power is. It could probably be dangerous, but on the other hand, having a superpower would be pretty awesome. So it's a hard decision, really. But I guess I'll go with it. Oh wow. 77% of people pressed the button, and 23% did not. Next. You can discover the meaning of life, but you may never communicate with anyone in any way, shape, or form ever again. Dude. I mean, I don't really care what the meaning of life is. And plus, there's no way that I could ever stop talking to you guys again. So I will not. What? Only 24% of people pressed the button, and 76% did not. You people. Right, next. You gain the ability to teleport as many times as you wish, at any time, but where you teleport is random. Oh god. I mean, that could be pretty funny, because you could literally end up anywhere, but at the same time, there's a chance that you could end up somewhere dangerous too, so nope. Well, this one was kind of close. 57% of people pressed the button, but 43% did not. Huh. Right, next. Live your life comfortably, but everyone thinks you're mentally unstable. Oh wow. I mean, it depends on how much you really care what other people think, I guess. And since I don't, I will press it. Woo! 63% pressed the button, but 37% did not. Huh. Awesome. Right, next. You gain the ability to fly, with no limits on time, speed, or range. But you will leave a trail of sparkling pink rainbows wherever you go. Dude, that sounds amazing. I would totally do that. There is literally no downside to this. Doop. 88% of people pressed the button. How could you not press that button? There's literally zero downside. Pink rainbows! Right, next. Ooh, another teleport one. You can teleport to any place of your choosing, including fictional dimensions, but you can never be in the same place for more than a week at a time. I mean, that's probably a good thing because it will give you the chance to go to a lot of different places. And that would be pretty interesting. So, yes, I will press it. %of people pressed the button, and 17% did not. That was a good question though. I like that one. Next. MC Hammer makes a comeback, but you have to go to every one of his concerts. Well, I've never even heard of him, so nope. Only 31% of people pressed that one, and 69% did not. I don't even know who MC Hammer is. Never heard of him. Next. You get your dream girl or boy, but one of your very close friends dies. Oh, Jesus. That's horrible. Who would actually press that? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. How could anyone actually press that? 39% of people are messed up, but 61% did not press it, so that's good. But you people are messed up. Right, next. You have unlimited access to the internet from anywhere around the world, but you can only go on websites that strangers on the street tell you to go to. Yeah, I will not. There is some truly messed up stuff out there, so I would not want to risk it. Nope. 30% of people actually pressed it. Wow. Yeah, I would not want to risk ending up on some messed up website, man. Nope. That is a nope. Right, next. You can see and explore any and all worlds and places from fiction, your own imagination, or from history. Okay? But you cannot interact with them in any way. I mean, I'd be okay with just seeing the places, to be honest. I mean, yeah, it would be a bit weird to not interact with stuff, but it wouldn't be that bad. I think it would still be kind of cool to just see these places. So yes. %70 of people pressed the button, and 30% did not. That's a good one though. I would love to see a whole load of different places. That'd be awesome. Right, next. Every story you like gets made into a movie, but they're all directed by Michael Bay. I mean, yeah, why not? That might end up being pretty funny. I mean, I don't think I've ever actually seen a Michael Bay movie anyway, so I'm not against it. %55% pressed the button, 45% did not. Yeah, I'm not against it. But that's just because I've never seen a Michael Bay movie, so yeah. Right, next. You know the absolute true answer to every question that was and will be ever asked. But you cannot remember it once it is answered. That's actually quite a hard one. Plus, I don't know if I would actually want to know everything there is to know anyways. Because I mean, it's not like it would enhance my life in any way. Besides, what would you actually do with all that information? So, nope. %54% pressed the button and 46% did not. That one was kind of close. Good question though. Right, next. You get whatever you want, but you have 3 wishes and can't wish for more. But it says you get whatever you want. This sounds a bit contradictory. But if you use the 3 wishes wisely, then I guess it's still worth it. So yes. Oh wow, 89% of people have pressed the button, and only 11% didn't. Looks like this one was pretty popular. Right, next. You get infinite money, but your favourite shape, colour combination is blue triangles. I don't see a downside to this. Unless there's some, like, negative attachment to blue triangles that I don't know about. But besides that, this is a pretty awesome deal. So yes. Oh wow, again, 89% pressed the button, while only 11% did not. I mean, why would you not press the button? I don't get it. What's wrong with blue triangles? Dude. Right, next. You can change your gender, or anyone else's, whenever you want. But you have to stick with your decision for a month. I mean, that's not something that I would really want to do to anyone. I don't really see the point of that. So, I will not. Oh wow, 76% pressed the button, and 24% did not. I just don't see why you would want to do that to somebody. But oh well. Next. You get to meet any celebrity once a year for life, but you experience extreme back pain for a whole week after each visit. Yeah, no. I do not care enough about meeting celebrities anyway, so I will not. Wow, another close one. 49% pressed the button and 51% did not. That was very close. But yeah, I just don't really care enough about meeting celebrities. So, next. You can fall asleep instantly, but the sleeve ghost will haunt you. Okay, I don't even know what the sleeve ghost is. Like, what even is that? But you know, I'll go for it, why not? How bad can a sleeve ghost be, right? %38% pressed the button, and 62% did not. Wow. How bad is this sleeve ghost? Like, I don't even know what it is. Seems a lot of people want to avoid it though. Right, next. Something interesting will happen to you every day, but no one will care. I mean, if you genuinely want something interesting to happen to you, then you'll do it for your own happiness, not to impress others. So, yes. %78% pressed the button and 22% did not. Yeah. I mean, whatever you do in life, it's important to do it for yourself and for your own happiness, not for the sake of impressing other people. So, next. Become a millionaire, but the person you despise most becomes a billionaire. Oh wow. Well, I mean, it really depends on, like, how bad of a life you want that person to have, and also how stupid they're going to be with the money anyway. Because you might end up being really smart with the money, while they end up being really stupid with it. So, yes, I'll do it. %68% pressed the button and 32% did not. Yeah, this one could totally end up working in your favour anyway, if you're smarter with the money. So that was a good one.